Hey guys, Xfer Sonance here, back with another video. In this video, we'll be remaking the bass of Mike Williams' The Beat. In the other video, we'll be remaking the lead. So, it will sound like this.
Bounce to the beat like.
So, if you want more presets like this, make sure to check the link down below. So now, let's dive into the bass. It sounds like this. So select in the preset. For us in the A, we're gonna use the master wavetable. It's over here. Lower down 1 octave. And leave it like this. Then enable oscillator B. Select sine wave. Lower down 2 octaves. And select FM from A. Just one here. Lower down the level of A. And enable the filter. Then we're gonna shape envelope 2. Just like this. Route it to the FM from A. Just a little bit. Lower down the cutoff and route envelope 2 to it as well. Put it to drive and fatness. This one here. Enable envelope 2 to the drive as well. Just like this. Then we're gonna enable the noise oscillator. We're gonna use the kick. This one. And put it all the way up. Let's make it a bit punchier. So then route envelope 2 to the wavetable. Just like this. Then we're gonna dive into the voicing section. Select mono legato always, so it will slide a bit. Just like this. And that's it for oscillator section. So enable the hyper dimension, lower down the hyper, and put it the dimension. Just like this. Then we're gonna use the chorus effect. This will make it a bit wider. Like this. And then we're gonna distort the sound. We're gonna use the diode too. Select post. We're gonna use a high cut. And route envelope 2 to the cutoff. Just like this. Lower down the mix a bit. This one here. Now we're gonna use some OTT compression. Select multiband and put it again. Lower down the highs. Just like this. And to finish up the sound, we're gonna use some EQ. Boost the highs a bit. And the bell filter on the lows. Just like this. Then we're gonna route envelope 2 to the gain. Of both the high cut and the bell. Just like this. This makes it a bit bouncier. And that's it. There you have your Mike Williams style bassline. So, if you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video.